Hey, what's up guys, it's KingXF and welcome back to another video. So recently I built myself a PC and it's pretty darn good, but what I don't like are my peripherals. And I've decided to upgrade them. So today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of a brand new Razer Blackwidow Chroma V2. So I bought this keyboard on Amazon for about $130 and it's quite worth the price. This unit has the Razer Green Switches, which are tactile and clicky. There is tape on the front, but I've already cut that open. Anyway, we get this on the inside. So this box comes with the keyboard itself, a Razer Chroma keycap keychain right here, some stickers, warranty info, and a handbook. I'm gonna go ahead and get all of that out of the way first, but I'm gonna come back to it. So let me get the keyboard out of the box and I'll be right back. So the keyboard looks like this on the front, it looks like this on the back, and on this side it has a USB and audio pass-through. The cables are nice and braided too. Now this keyboard also comes with a super pillowy magnetic wrist rest. So let me just plug this into the computer. And voila. So in order to configure the keyboard, you need to download Razer Synapse. Again, these are the Razer Green Switches, which are tactile and clicky. So now I'm going to give you guys a quick little sound test so you know how they sound. So there are multiple lighting effects. This one is called wave. This effect is called fire. This effect is called spectrum cycling. This effect is called breathing. This is the static effect. This is the starlight effect. This is the reactive effect. And this is the ripple effect, which is similar to the reactive. This is the Razer Chroma keycap keychain, which is also included in the box. Let me just take this stuff, and here we have it. So let me pull this tab here, and if you press it, it lights up. Overall, the Razer Blackwidow Chroma V2 is a great keyboard. I absolutely love the feel of the Razer Green Switches and the wrist rest that's included too. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.